Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Dogecoin update today. And Dogecoin is really making a low effort right now, and it is kind of showing the intention to continue, and it's also on the other hand telling us that, you know what, dude, I am moving up like this and I'm moving down like this, so I do have a bearish divergence. It's clear. Okay, the message is very well put by Dogecoin. So what do you do in this case? You have to take that very seriously. Okay, that bearish divergence is something to be taken very, very seriously. Now, I'm not saying you cannot continue to go higher. I'm not saying that at all. But yeah, it's kind of there. It's kind of there showing that, you know what, I am a problem. Now, one more thing is also Doge has been able to kind of like break above this little bit of resistance here, and that's what I'm actually looking forward to, because Dogecoin is kind of like this, it's kind of like making a new let's say a new liquidity points right over here at the prices that it is right now. And previously, back in 2021, we used to get rejected we saw rejection here with Dogecoin. So we got the first touch, it went down, you got the first touch, and then it went down again. So it was heavy on the scales, and then you finally popped up, you made the break finally, and this break was pretty clear. Now the thing is that I could still expect Doge to maybe come down and touch 0.33 and then maybe finally go on and continue to the upside. That would still be normal. But what I want to see is a little bit of a more push to the upside, maybe 0.56. I would actually like to see Doge making it up to 0.56, taking all the stop losses of the people who are bearish right here. Maybe when you make 0.566, then you make a small correction down, retest 0.33, and finally go on and continue to the upside. Now, one thing that I've noticed is that Dogecoin has made a huge pattern in itself. So if you look at this, that's a rounded bottom right there, right? Huge rounded bottom. I think it's going to be very clear on the weekly time frame. So if you look at the weekly, yes, this is a pattern. Look at that. It's very, very clear how good of a pattern this is. And by the way, I want to warn you that 2 days ago, this closing is not good for Dogecoin. You have a hammer, and it's going to be important to break above the hammer, which you actually did. You kind of did actually break the hammer. If you look at it, this one price actually went above the hammer, so it's kind of invalidated. So we can expect Dogecoin to go a little bit higher. And the thing is that this pattern itself takes Dogecoin from there to there, and you could be looking at Dogecoin next year coming up to 2.244. But that's not enough. I think we're going to see Doge making it even past $2. I do think we're looking for $7 to $10 hopefully next year. So that's all for the video. I'm going to see you the next one in the office. Hey, I know you guys are scratching your head thinking, when am I going to exit the market? On Stupid Bitcoin podcast number 3, I've recorded the best video on exit strategy in the market. So click, it's right over here at the bottom of the screen, and watch that, because you deserve to exit with the best gains, and I don't want you to exit early. So watch this video ASAP if you're holding Pepe Coin, Luna Classic, any altcoin, because exiting is really, really important. Thank me later.